Hello and welcome to another episode of Jimster586's Lock Shop. Today we have something a little different. I have an antique brass padlock. It's a Keen Kutter. I don't know if this was a business name or what, but here it tells you who made the lock. It also tells you that it was made in St. Louis. Again, it says Keen Kutter on the back. Note the weird shape of this lock. It's very interesting. Certainly not a very sophisticated lock at all. It only takes keys like this. So not very sophisticated at all. But nonetheless, it's just a very interestingly shaped lock. You can see there the little pin where this has to go over. Key slides in nice and easy. Like I said, not a sophisticated lock. Notice the little hook here where it latches. Right there is your latch bolt. Like I said, not a very sophisticated lock at all. Not high security in any way. Spring loaded. Your latch bolt there. Now, let's pull the key out. Let me see if I can get you a look inside here. Not really. You can't really see what's going on in there. As I say, this is a Keen Kutter. I don't know if this was a business name or what, but it was made by, it looks like E.C. Simmons. It was made in St. Louis. Just a very strange lock, and I don't know how old this lock is. Curious to know how old this is, but I don't know the answer to that. Very well used keys. Doesn't do anything if you turn it that way, but if you turn it to that way, pops it open. And that's about all I've got for you. I don't have an awful lot to show here. Get you a look here as I latch that down. Like I said, spring loaded. Piece of spring steel, no doubt, inside here. This is a brass padlock with the name Keen Kutter on it. And just a very interesting shape. Never seen it quite like that before. And that's about all I've got for you. So hope you enjoyed watching it, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.